Black Friday 2024. This baby went on sale for under $100 on Amazon, so I picked it up. Actually, it wasn't on sale. It was on sale, but then their used said, "Hey, you can get it for under $100." And their used is always normally brand new. Does look like it's been open, so we'll check it out. Link will be in the description below. But this is the 20-volt edition. So wired. If you guys ever use one of these, really the wire gets in the way. You always have to keep it. It's kind of like washing your car. You try to keep the water hose off your car. So this is like a great addition. I'm actually spoiling my sister with this. She told me earlier in the year, she said if I had a router, I'd be in so much trouble. She would be in so much trouble because she'd be making so much stuff. And it popped into my head, buy her a router. Okay, it comes with the tool, so it must not be a quick changing device. We're not going to be actually using it in this video, but maybe if she uses it. I'll put some videos up. Tells you all the... Yep. That's it. Here's the device. That box is very simple. Beautiful. Thing is beautiful. Look at it. Oh man, do I really want to give this to her? Whoo, that is heavy, but equal weight. I don't even know how to use this thing. Does that go up and down? There's these little buttons right here. I'm gonna look like an idiot on this video. That does something. Oh, look at that. I don't know what I just did. So it's got a nice glass plate on it. A little scuffed, but I think it's going to get scuffed when you use it. Does look like you can change the plate out just with normal screws if they come out when it's time. Looks like there's some type of something else I can put in, or that spins around. Nice handle. Got a good grasp to it. The unit itself is so heavy. Oh, it's freezing cold. Why is it freezing cold? Okay, so that goes down for your depth you want. Wonder what them things do. And that is the safety. When you push that forward, that's the safety. It actually has a thing right here with different measurements. But she'll figure that out, not me. Okay. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on there. On and off. Physical switch. Does feel kind of hard to push. Not hard to push, but like they put a little block right there. It's kind of hard to see that. Or hard to see it, but kind of in the way. Go ahead and push this down. So you put how high you want it off. Oh, and then it clips in. Okay. Them things make it so it clips in right there. See? Boom. I don't see how, if you have it all the way out, what's going to trigger that. Oh, you can't even use it clear up like that. What am I doing? Okay. Holds a nice 20 volt. I just have a little battery that I'm going to be putting in it. It is not the flex volt. Flex volt is a joke. Watch videos on that because they are a joke. Let's go ahead and push this in. Is it off? I think it's off. Ooh. You guys see the two lights that kick on? Looks like they do not kick off right away either. So that's nice. See how long it takes them to shut off. Well, that's plenty of time. It's way over the time I think it should go. There we go. Oh, I don't even have that down either. So this must not be... Oh, I bet this stops. Okay. That is just like Dremel. That, you push that and it stops this from spinning so you can use the tool on it. Let's go ahead and see the different speeds. It actually worked without that locked in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's not much vibration to that, but man, is it heavy. Oh, it has a brake on it. It stopped immediately. That's cool. This has the gyro effect just a little bit when it's on high. Like when you move it, it kind of feels like it's going with you. I do like that it shuts off immediately. That's very nice. Did it use any battery? Then the battery should just pop right out. There we go. Thanks for watching. I think that's about all I can show you. Now let's box it back up. So, Christmas present. Thanks for watching.